Where did all the time go? The years went fast, but the days went slow. The man in the mirror is older than me. He's standing where I used to be. I've had my share of ups and downs, lost my way, then turned around. Every road I took, they led me right here to where I'm meant to be.
Go ahead.